Hi everyone, my name is Anna Karina, and today I am going to teach you how to make an astonishing, super quick, and beautiful metal cross that is perfect for any occasion or last minute gift giving. So let's get right into it. So first things first, you're going to need 1 to 2 pieces of 1/8 of an inch round rod. You're also going to need a grinder with a cutting wheel and a grinding wheel, and of course your welding equipment. I suggest sticking with a MIG or TIG process. I prefer a TIG process as this is a much easier way of putting together these small pieces. To cut the metal. So you're going to be cutting 4 vertical pieces and 3 horizontal pieces. Your vertical pieces are going to be your longer pieces of the cross, and your horizontal pieces are going to be your shorter pieces. You're only going to need 3 of those. Now, something else that you can do at this time is kind of bend the ends of the individual rods if you would like to give it a more artistic design, and you'll see how this looks a little bit later. Now, the length of these are going to depend on how big you're making your cross, so keep that in mind and make sure to play around with the rod before you cut it to get an idea of what you're looking at. After you have cut out your pieces, you're going to assemble them. You're first going to tack your vertical pieces. These are your longer pieces, and you're going to tack them together. I suggest that you tack them on what's going to be the back side of your cross, and then you're going to put together your horizontal pieces, and this will leave you with 3 clusters of rods that should be tacked together. Now, you don't need to weld the whole metal rod, as a tack will be sufficient for this project. Once you have your 2 separate pieces, you're going to grab your horizontal pieces and you are going to put them on the top 4 of your vertical pieces in a placing that you find it looks nice, and I suggest that you leave at least an inch from the top to give a good visual of the cross. And again, you are going to turn this over and tack the horizontal piece to the vertical piece on what would be the back side of your cross. Now, this is an important question. Are you going to mount it, or are you going to make a base for it? If you're choosing to display it on a table standing, you're going to want to get a piece of steel sheet about 1/2 to 1.5 inches thick, and you want it to be the length of half of your horizontal rod length. So if the horizontal pieces that you cut are 6 inches, this means that your metal sheet should at least be 3 inches to help balance the weight and make sure that it doesn't tip over. If you're looking to mount it on the wall, a quick trick that I use is that I get a nut and I grab one that is big enough to fit a screw or a nail through, so that you can hang it on the wall. And what I do is that I tack that to the back of my cross. Once you've decided which way you're going to go, your cross will be completed. So now we are going to focus on polishing your piece. So you're going to use your grinding wheel to polish it to your liking, and that's it. I also suggest grabbing some clear spray paint to spray your piece to ensure that there is no rusting.